Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make cutouts in an existing design. So for that purpose I already uploaded a design to my canvas. So if you are interested how to do that and how to prepare the score lines, I already made a video for that and I will put a link on that on top so that you can have a look at that first. So what I have here, what I want to do in this project is that I have this explosion box here, and I have these little squares that I can put on the inside or on the outside of the box, and I want to make some cutouts so that you can see the paper that is behind when I glue that on the box. But you can also do maybe cutouts on the box itself so that you can look through the box or anything like that. So to do that, I will select here a shape, maybe a heart, and I will put that on one of these squares, and I align that in the center. And then we need to select both the square and the heart. And then here on the right side, we have that button slice. So we push that button. And what we can see what happens is that we still have this heart. Then we have the cutout heart, and then we have also the square with the heart cut out. So you can just drag that away and also that heart. And you can see here is a little look through. That heart will be cut out. So we can delete that one. We don't need that anymore. And so easy can this be done. But what I want to show you is not only for a single cutout, I just want to show you multiple cutouts. So I'm going to take some stars in different sizes. So let's do one more. So and if I would like to apply that maybe up here and just select all of them, you see that I can't use the function slice. So you just can slice it one shape after another, but I want to save some time, so I will show you a little trick. So what you can do for that is you select these three stars, and then you go to Combine and say Weld. So what you can see here, the result is that these three stars are now attached together, and they will stay together. And you need to be sure that you want them in that way because you can't undo that. So that's fixed now. But you can use it as one object now. And now you can select here both the square and the stars. And now you can see you can use the slice button. And we click on that. And we see that the same happened, that we have the stars here and the cutout stars and the square with the cutouts. So if you put that on top, you can see you can look through there. So what you should also keep in mind that maybe for this shape, I already I already attached the score lines to that shape. So what you will notice is when I want to make another heart here, that it's the same for the multiple objects. If I want to slice it here, I also can't do that. So you can see that I already attached the score lines to that box. So I need to detach that first. Oops. So I can now select both heart and box shape. And now I can say slice. And now I can see that the score line is now, it disappeared, but it's still there. So it just moved in that layers. and we need to put that on top here. So above that slice result. And now you can see it's back here. And now you can select it, and here you can select both and then say attach again. So this is how you can make cutouts. I hope you like the video, and so if you like the video, please click the like button. If you have any questions, so please don't hesitate to leave me a comment or write me a message. Thank you for that, and thanks for watching, and see you next time. Thanks.